Join us as we embark on a one-day trip from Las Vegas to Zion National Park to hike the Canyon Overlook Trail. As residents or visitors of Las Vegas, we may have been craving a break from the city's hustle and bustle, yearning for a refreshing escape into nature. We started the trip taking on I-15 north from Las Vegas. Continue for about 125 miles until you reach exit 27 for Utah 17 highway that eventually merge onto Highway 9 East. As we leave the urban sprawl behind, the landscape transforms into a vast expanse of desert beauty with its golden hues and sprawling vistas. We then finally arrived at the gate of Zion National Park, where our anticipation builds as we prepare to immerse ourselves in the natural wonders that await. Once inside the park, continue on Zion Mount Carmel Highway. As we navigate along the highway, the scenery transformed dramatically, offering a visual feast of rugged cliffs, towering sandstone formations, and sweeping vistas. The road winds its way through deep canyons and along towering canyon walls, providing breathtaking views around every corner. One of the highlights of the drive is the famous Zion Mount Carmel Tunnel, an engineering marvel carved directly to the solid rock of the canyon walls. As you enter the tunnel, the darkness envelops you before suddenly giving way to bursts of light as you emerge on the other side, revealing spectacular landscape. After emerging from the tunnel, finally, you reach your destination, the trailhead of the Canyon Overlook Trail. The trail starts with an uphill climb as you leave the road below. As the trail progresses, you encounter sections of rocky steps that require careful navigation. You take each step deliberately, finding your footing among the uneven terrain and natural obstacles. Along the way, the trail offers several scenic overlooks where you can pause to catch your breath and admire the stunning vistas. Each overlook provides a different perspective of the surrounding landscape, inspiring awe and wonder with every glance. As you continue your ascent, the trail becomes steeper, challenging your endurance and determination. You dig deep, drawing upon your inner strength as you conquer each incline with determination. Soon after, you will walk around a bend to the side and will come across a large natural cave in the side of the rock wall. At times, the trail narrows, hugging the edge of the canyon with sheer drop-offs on one side. Finally, you arrive at the Canyon Overlook, a breathtaking vantage point that offers panoramic views of Zion Canyon and the surrounding landscape. You pause to catch your breath, overwhelmed by the sheer beauty of the scenery spread out before you. Overall, this one-day trip offers a perfect blend of outdoor adventure, scenic beauty, and convenience, making it an unforgettable experience for anyone craving a quick escape into nature from the vibrant energy of Las Vegas.